Samsung just announced it's going to start charging for its smart home automation platform, SmartThings API access. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. While most of the changes are for software developers and other commercial partners, there is a way this could hit regular users and their wallets. Starting in October, there's going to be a $5 monthly plan for non-commercial individual developers. This won't impact people using the traditional SmartThings app to control any of the thousands of gadgets that automatically work with the platform. However, it does apply to those who use third-party tools like Home Assistant to control their Samsung-connected devices. It'll also likely impact those with custom smart home controls, adding yet another monthly subscription fee to the pile. This seems like a real kick in the pants to the smart home open-source community. Home Assistant founder Paulus Schutzen wrote in a blog post, "We're all for choice, but feel very disappointed that users will have to decide whether to shell out for access in the shadow of yet another cloud paywall. What are users getting as part of all this? We aren't exactly sure, but Samsung says the added funds will allow it to invest heavily in features users have been asking for. The company hasn't released any details other than saying that it's working on new integrations and expanded capabilities of some kind. There is a new developer center hub coming as well, which will provide current usage and data points to optimize code. Again, this starts in October. Access to the SmartThings API is free for now. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.